with the name of the God. So come and join Enlighten Properties. Why people come and join? This is a question for everyone asking, and everyone have in their mind why I can come in Enlighten Properties. First of all, we have brokerage, buying and selling. Second, we have property management. So the property management, when you secure your owner is not going anywhere, and the client is happy, because the reason we are making ijari in our office. So if you bring the customer, same time we make ijari and we can give same time handover. This is the second thing. Third thing, because in-house we have each and everything. We have buying, selling, brokerage, we have property management, and now I just opened holiday homes as well. So in ROI for that, residential property for the secondary for that, right now ROI is like 10%, but if you go for holiday home, it's 15%. So I just already start holiday homes as well. So in-house, in Enlighten Properties, we have brokerage, we have property management, we have holiday home. And the fourth one of the amazing thing, I already hired one of the mentors guy, which is already working for Enlighten clients, Enlighten owner and the client for that. So in-house we are giving only cost to cost price for that, which none of the agency is doing. So in-house mean like if you have the client, the property maintenance, the cost is coming 500. Definitely the outside of the maintenance company, they're charging 1,500 or 2,000. For us, what we are doing for our owner, we are giving them the price cost to cost. It means they have each and everything in with Enlighten Properties. Management we have, then also holiday homes we have, and in-house we have maintenance team. So just come and work with Enlighten Properties, and believe me, the agency in Enlighten you cannot find anywhere, because I am not a broker. I'm as a property manager who's sitting and helping you. But if you go for most agency, all of the owner, they are broker. If they are broker, this is the reason they are not succeed. Because definitely if you have the marketing, they have money for the marketing, they spend for their listing. For what I'm doing, I just work with my guys and they tell them, okay, this is your listing, let me make it in the top. So that is the reason always my guys listing in the top where the building they're working. So just come and join Enlighten Properties. Once you come, then you understand what we are doing. Okay, stay tuned for more videos.